Blessed be everyone. Today we're going to be talking about life purpose and your life's work. But before we do, hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you're new to the channel and you want to become Wiccan or you want to know more about Wicca, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. And of course, if you have watched a few of my videos now and you want to keep watching, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos. Life purpose essentially isn't what a lot of people think it is. A lot of people are asking, what is my purpose? When really what they're asking is, how can I be of service in the world? How can I truly express my gifts in the world and really give something to the world? And what is it that I can give to the world? We call that our purpose, but really what our purpose is our whole life is our purpose. Our life purpose is the whole reason for being here. It is all of our life and everything that's gone on in our lives up until this point and to continue, that is making us, contributing to who we are and how we express ourselves in the world. So your whole life here on planet Earth is part of your purpose. So if you're feeling like you don't have a purpose or you don't know what it is, the answer to that question is actually in the life you've already lived and will continue to live. What most people are really looking for is, what's my life's work? How can I do something with my life that fulfills me and is also going to be something that is useful and helpful to other people or other beings out there on planet Earth? So as a Wiccan, it may not be necessarily that you're wanting to be of service to humanity. You may want to be more of service to the environment or to help animals or to help the earth, the planet in some way. So that's being of service too. But it's understanding, well, how do I do that? And how do I come to understand what that is? So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is just to think that in the perfect world, the perfect you, the perfect scenario, if you could have whatever it is that you dream of or want for yourself in your life, what does that look like? Who will you be? What kind of person are you in that scenario? And what will you be doing in that scenario? So allow yourself some time to think about this during the day. If you are in the perfect situation where you're really doing something you really enjoy with your life, what would that look like? Who would you be? And what would you be doing? You might come up with something a bit vague, which is fine. It's a place to start. It might be an overall general thing of, you know, I want to be able to help a particular group of people with particular issue or situation. I don't know what that looks like. I just know that I feel like that's what I want to be doing. That's okay. That's somewhere to start. And if you don't really know what it is that you want to be doing, and this is really about wanting to be doing as opposed to should be doing. A lot of people go, well, what should I be doing? What is my life's purpose? What should it be? There's no shoulds. It's about what is it that you're wanting to bring forward, because it's actually already in your life, believe it or not. Your life's work will often come from your greatest challenges that you've had in your life. So if you've had health challenges, if you've had psychological challenges, if you've had challenges in other areas of life with particular things that you've learned how to do really well, maybe you've had trouble with relationships or money or something, and because of all of these challenges, you've come up with a huge wealth of knowledge and experience that you can pass on to other people and use that to help other people who are struggling with the same thing be able to manage or get through that very same thing. So your life's work can come out of your biggest challenges that you've had in your life. Use that, bring those things out in a way that's enjoyable to you. Your purpose needs to be something that you love to do, that you really enjoy doing, that you'd enjoy doing even if you weren't getting paid to do it, if it's something that's more career oriented. Of course, your life purpose, your life's work doesn't have to be career. It can be something that you do as well as have a career. So it can be something you do on the side. It doesn't have to be related to earning money. It can be something that is totally unrelated to earning money, and maybe you earn money in other ways. I know for a lot of people, particularly in this day and age, we're really looking at wanting to earn money doing what we really love and earn money doing our life's work, because so much of your energy is put into doing this and expressing what you want to express and helping people in the way that you want to help them, that if you have to give your energy to something else simply to pay the bills, that can be a real drain on your energy. So a lot of people are looking for ways to have a career doing what it is that they love doing. And it may take you a long time to figure out what that is. And that's okay, because if your life's work is something that demands a lot of experience, then you may find you don't come to it until you're in your midlife. You might not come to your life's purpose or life's work till you're in your 40s, to your 50s, possibly even your 60s or 70s even. There's no time limit on this. You may discover it later in life. It may be something that you can do earlier in your life, or you may find that your purpose moves around from ways of expressing it. So you might start with one thing and then you move into something else, you move into something else, and then you move into something else. But the theme will often remain the same. So it's understanding what you're good at, what you love doing, and how you can be of service through doing those things. And what challenges you the most is often where that real purpose and ability to give actually comes from. So it's like with, shadow work, how the power, the empowerment comes from integrating the shadow into the light of your personality. It's like that with your life's work. That shadow aspect, the challenges, actually gets integrated into the light that you can bring out into the world. So look at all areas of your life where you've been challenged the most. Maybe there's a theme that's run through your life, and how you can use that experience to help others who may be experiencing something similar, who may need your help or your guidance in some way to do. There's so many different things that you can do and choose for your life's work. Just understand that it's part of your purpose. It's not, your purpose is actually your whole life. So your life purpose is your whole life, and your life's work is what you're building and creating with this life. And generally that does mean it's how you can be of service to other people, to the planet, to animals, to plants. It's usually being of service to others in some way, shape or form. So for me, the theme that has run through my life a lot has been teaching and performing and creating. So they're themes. They're themes, okay? I've had a very creative life. So I've got a performing arts background, started out in music, then did dance, and did spend a bit of time doing office work there in the middle of a transition to what I'm now doing, which is teaching Wicca and witchcraft, as well as helping people with those challenges that come from having a lot of self-doubt and not being confident in the world, not being able to express oneself in the world, because that's been my biggest challenge, is being able to express myself in the world confidently and to be able to help other people who are also struggling with these blocks in their lives, is how I can use my experience of having also been in that situation and still working on it and helping them, because I've got a lot of tools now that I can use to help other people that I know have helped me. So it's passing on what you have learned, what you've gained, and your experiences to helping others as well, so that we're all helping each other. And it doesn't have to be something you've got to sort of sit and battle with. Just allow yourself to just take it easy and go, well, what is it that I enjoy doing? What do I want to do? And how can I do this? And just take baby steps to do that. And incorporating your spirituality. So in this case, Wicca as a way of helping you do that, as a way of helping you create a way for you to express yourself through magic, through your spirituality, through the connections that you make to other people in the craft, and just learning more about yourself through the process of practicing spirituality, working with the deities, connecting with nature and with the elements. All of these things can help you understand who you are and understand what your life's work is and what your purpose is. They're all there to help and assist you grow in this way. And if you are interested in studying Wicca more formally, and you do want some guidance to work within practicing Wicca as opposed to just reading about it, so that you can understand yourself more and magic more and connecting more with the earth and with deities, do check out the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. The link is in the description field below this video. It is a 12-month course that takes you right from the very beginning through to the first year of Wiccan practices. I incorporate a little bit of shadow work in with traditional Wiccan studies, so do check that out. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Blessed be.